Let's see what these are. I think these elevators are in the process of being modernized. Let's go to 12. The 9 works. You can only go up to 9. These are padded up. I think these elevators are in the process of being modernized. I wonder what these were originally. I think there's a burger restaurant on the 7th floor. Let's go down to 1. Let's get a cabin. Oh wow. I can't even feel the elevator moving. But these are all padded up. I wonder why. We're up over 1. I think these elevators are being modernized. Oh. It takes a while to level off here. Please excuse the elevator. Oh yeah, these are being modernized. Into ThyssenKrupp?